Linking your bank account to Zoom can help streamline your financial transactions for services like Zoom Events or Zoom Phone. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account. Step 1. Log into your Zoom account. Visit the Zoom website and log in with your credentials. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to make changes to your account settings. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, go to the Account Management section. From there, select Billing to access your payment settings. Step 3. Select Payment Method. In the Billing section, look for the option to add or edit payment methods. Click on Add Payment Method to proceed with linking your bank account. Step 4. Enter bank account information. Fill in the required fields with your bank account details, including your account number and routing number. Double-check the information for accuracy to avoid any issues. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your bank account information, click the Save button to finalize the linking process. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your bank account has been successfully added. By following these steps, you can easily link your bank account to your Zoom account for seamless transactions. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Zoom support for assistance.